Hello, I'm Dave Thompson. I am the director of the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. And well, class, today we're going to talk a little bit about the Victory sprayer, the electrostatic spraying technology. And we're also going to talk about some of the chemicals of choice, solutions, if you will, that you can put through any electrostatic sprayer. Today we have the unit from Victory Innovations. This is their backpack style. They also have a handheld. You've seen many electrostatic sprayer solutions out there on the market. And so what I want to just talk to you a little bit about today is how we use them. Now, you need to go to each manufacturer to get all of the particulars of how to maintain them, how to set them up. That's not what this video is about. As you already know from all of our other classes and videos, you know that you need to pre-clean. So what do we put into the tank of an electrostatic sprayer? Well, through the top of the sprayer, you can put a product like aqueous ozone. Aqueous ozone is a cleaning agent. So knowing that we need to apply our cleaning chemical, you can put your cleaning chemical through the unit and spray it onto the surface and then wipe it away, and then you can apply your disinfectant. What disinfectants of choice would you use? Well, we have two examples here. This is a ready-to-use hypochlorous acid product. Has a great shelf life. You'll have to look for different ones. They can come in a ready-to-use version, or you'll get those in sometimes the on-site generation systems. We also have here a product called HDox, which you see here in this dispenser right here behind me. This unit here can dilute this product into two different dilutions, one being its cleaning solution and one being its disinfectant solution. All of these products that we've talked about can be dispensed through an electrostatic sprayer. If you're taking the electrostatic sprayer course, you're probably watching this video. If you're just watching some of our YouTube videos, you've probably come across this. One of the things that you always want to do is with different devices, there usually comes a chart with them showing their nozzle size. And in this unit, the nozzle size is right here on the very end. And there is a white color code, a green, and a red. At the white, which is the one that I have here, it is 110 microns. At the green, it's 80, and at the red, it's 40. Now, why is this important? Well, it's important because different chemical solutions that we've talked about will need to be used at different micron sizes, especially if you're going to be applying a protectant at the end of your service. Now, what do we wear as far as PPE? Depends on the chemical, not the machine. However, there's a few tips I'd like to talk to you about. We do recommend the use of nitrile over the wrist gloves rather than vinyl or latex. We also would recommend that you use some type of protection for your nose and mouth. And in many cases, you'll want to use some type of eye protection, whichever that may be. Depending on the environment, depending on the solution that you're using, would depend greatly on the amount of PPE that you should wear as a technician applying the product. Whenever you go to use the Victory backpack sprayer or the handheld, doesn't matter which one it is, you're going to have a power button that you're going to turn it on and off with. And of course, whatever solution that you've put in the unit is going to be then dispensed out through your gun. Now on this one here, we've got the extension. The extension just pushes in, comes off. You put your nozzle in. One of the things that whenever you're running any type of application device, you must always spray from the bottom up and go from left to right. Now let me show you exactly how that is. I'm just going to let it sit right here and just use the wand to show you. So if you're going to spray, you're going to start from the bottom and you're going to spray across the bottom and come up and go across in that type of a motion. And that's about how quick that you want to go. You get good even coverage. You're spraying away from you. The vapor did not come back to me. That way, no matter what product that you're using, whatever PPE that you have, you're getting good coverage, but you're not going to be walking into the spray. So always plan the room and the area that you're going into. Remember, we're not wanting the surfaces to drip. Never apply that much, no matter what the chemical is, no matter what the situation or the environment is. You want to get good even coverage, and that's the reason you're using an electrostatic sprayer, is to get good coverage and do it as quickly as you can. So we hope that you enjoy all of the videos and training sessions here at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. Please look at our accredited electrostatic application expert class for your own certification for the Victory backpack sprayer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with another video.